ধ্যান ঈশ্বর, ঈশ্বর ধ্যান, ঈশ্বর ধ্যান, ঈশ্বর ধ্যান। When you go to ধ্যান ঈশ্বর ধ্যান, ঈশ্বর school, কি অবতার ধ্যান? There are different kinds of বাসনা কামনা. There are different kinds of all. Then you surrender under the Bhagavad Bhakti. Bhagavad Bhakti. Bhagavad means Bhagavan, that is Ishwar. Ishwar's Kulki. That's avatar. Kulki avatar. Kulki avatar is Bhakti. That is Ishwar's Bhakti. If you surrender under Ishwar's Bhakti, Bhagavan Bhakti, all will be vanish, finish, finish, finish. When you think that Ishwar, Ishwar my all, Ishwar Kulki avatar my all, we are nothing. When you think about Ishwar, your father, your mother, your 14 Purush, who are there? Who are there? Whose body is there? Whose অর্থ ধন দৌলত টাকা পয়সা জায়গা জমি where? They are nothing, nothing, nothing. You will be nothing, nothing, nothing. You think your 14 Purush is nothing. Next 14 Purush think you are nothing. So you are nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. All are Ishwars, 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 Ishwars. When you surrender under the guards and bhakti will become, for that bhakti saran, bhakti spuran, you will be find that all of Ishwars, we are nothing, nothing, nothing. As our father, mother, they said, that is I, that is I, that is our, that is our. Where they are? They are nothing, nothing, nothing. Just like when you surrender under the guards and Bhagavad Bhakti, you will be nothing, nothing, nothing. And take the Bhagavad Bhakti, all will be finished, vanished. Then take surrender under Bhagavad